Hello ladies, hello gentlemen. Today we're gonna create a simple website on GitHub. Many people don't know, even if they're using GitHub, that you can use any repo, any project that you have on GitHub as a website. So for example, if you create a website or if you create a project, you can host it on GitHub. If it's only front end. If it's back end, you cannot host back end apps on GitHub. But anything front end, you can host on GitHub. And by front end, I mean JavaScript, HTML, of course, React apps, etc. So I have my own projects here that are actually hosted here on GitHub, and I'll show you how to do it. It's really easy, just a few steps. So basically, first of all, you have to have your own GitHub account, and then you need to create, let's start from the beginning, and then you need to create a repository, of course. So let's see, repositories. Okay, let's click on this icon right here, repositories, and let's click on new repository. Let's create a website. How about Blackjack? Blackjack. I hope it's correct spelling. Blackjack. Let's have it Blackjack. Blackjack web game. Blackjack web game. And that's it. I clicked enter. Now I have that repo here. So let's start with, it gives you some information here. I need to create a file. And it's not giving me. Create a new file right here. This small 4 words. Create a new file. So you create a new file. Let's have the name index.html. index.html. And how about to save time? Of course, we can create Blackjack game by ourselves. We'll ask to do it Claude because we are short on time. Create Blackjack web game HTML, CSS, JavaScript in one file. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I'm just counting how many seconds it will take to create. So it's 25, 26, 30, 35. Wow, it's much bigger than I was imagining. Okay, so let's then 40 seconds it took for us to produce this code here. I need, if you don't know, you can see the code right here. You click and you can copy the code. Let's put in that file in GitHub that we're creating. So Claude generated 436 lines of code in less than 40 seconds. Commit changes. And then what we're gonna do is, let's go and let's make it public. Pages. Deploy from branch. GitHub Pages. main save. Okay, that's it. It should work. To access, we need to enter my GitHub username, which is Deividas Strole. GitHub.io. And then repository name, which is this one. Here we go. This is our game, which is hosted on GitHub somewhere in probably Arizona, and it works. So let's try and work. So dealer is 3, we have 16. Let's stand. I lost as always. Okay, the game works. 5, 17, stand. Okay, we win. Okay, so anyway, long story short, so it took us a couple minutes. We created a game. Not we created, but Claude created the game. But we learned how to create the website for ourselves free of charge. It's absolutely free. Open GitHub account. Anyone who likes to write any type of code should have GitHub account, because you can store your all repositories, your code, and then you can show people. People can look at your code. If you're thinking about working in IT, yeah, that's kind of must nowadays. So we created a repository. We called it Blackjack Web Game. We created a file, index.html. We posted code that was created by Claude here, and we went to settings, we went to pages, and we just right here we chose where we want to take the code and upload so anyone can access it, and we clicked save. That's it. Our website is live. I'll leave it here for fun, so if you want to try this game, go to this website right here, and it will be online for you to play blackjack. Hopefully you will win. Thank you, and have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.